How to channel.
Don't forget subscribe.
How to grow long, thicker, and healthy hair. 100% effective hair remedies. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share with you an effective remedy to grow long, thick, and healthy hair. It's 100% effective. All we need is 1 tablespoon of coconut milk, 1/2 tablespoon of coconut oil, mix all the ingredients very well. Now apply this remedy on your scalp and massage it gently for 5 minutes and leave it on for 30 minutes. Then wash your hair with your regular shampoo. Now that was easy, right? Now finally, I hope this remedy helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to avoid missing coming videos. And make thumbs up for this video.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget subscribe.